Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to kiss in public. First, consider your environment. Select a location where a brief, affectionate kiss feels natural and won't disrupt others. Always be aware of who is around you and respect their space. A quick, sweet peck is often more suitable than a prolonged embrace when you are in public view. Before initiating, ensure both you and your partner are completely comfortable with public displays of affection. A quick glance or a gentle squeeze of the hand can confirm mutual interest. Then, lean in slowly, giving your partner ample time to respond. This ensures the moment feels consensual and natural for both of you, making the experience enjoyable. When you kiss, aim for a gentle and brief connection. A soft touch of the lips is usually perfect for public settings. Avoid any deep or extended kissing that might draw unwanted attention or make others uncomfortable. Keep your body language respectful and composed, ensuring the moment remains sweet and appropriate for everyone. After the kiss, share a warm smile or a gentle touch with your partner to reconnect. Briefly observe your surroundings to ensure your actions didn't cause any discomfort to those nearby. Then, simply continue with your conversation or activity as if nothing out of the ordinary happened. This maintains a relaxed and respectful atmosphere for everyone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.